Alright, we're here today with our no-dig, no-till gardening method. It's a super simple method that you can do anywhere in your yard. You're just going to start with some cardboard, as we see Antonio doing here. We have a cardboard that is 3.5 feet by 7 feet, and he's measuring that out now. Now we're going to get the compost. You could add about 2 or 3 cubic feet. That's about what we're gonna have here to get us started. This way you don't have to hurt your back. It's a super non-invasive to the environment and way to start a sustainable garden. So we're about at 3 inches here. So the key is to continue to add compost every season to your garden. Yeah, this method will work just placing over any sort of lawn, so grassy area, or you can see we have some like compost and weeds and stuff here, but it's okay to just put the cardboard over it. If there are bigger shrubs, you can cut those down to make a little bit of a path. So here he's adding some cardboard on the outside to just make space for like what will be the walkway and between the rows. Also for your cardboard, remember to remove any plastic taping and making sure that the cardboard isn't a plastic like lined cardboard. We will add some cardboard around because we would continue to mulch on the outside of the rows, and the mulch and the compost would work together to support each other. So here we have the compost and the cardboard, and we could actually just start watering and planting right now, which is what we're gonna do. With the cardboard getting wet, it then will break down into the soil, and you will have a garden. You can also add compost tea or vermicompost or alfalfa, whatever you have on hand. You can add different types of fertilizers, but making sure that there's no chemicals and everything is organic. You can add other chicken compost and things like that. Eventually you'll see weeds. That means that the compost is healthy, and that's also part of the gardening experience, coming out here and getting those weeds out and really connecting to your garden and to the soil, and making sure that she's happy and healthy.